waxaan joogaa meel cusub oo loo furay in dadka lagu talaalo oo Eastern dhexdeeda ku taala.
My name is Mohammed Saikle. I am very pleased to have my first dose of vaccine today. I would like to take this opportunity to encourage, the Muslim community in Brussels and fellow Somalians in Brussels also to take the vaccine. I understand there is, a concern and there is a fear because this information is circulating in the social media, but we need to ask which side we pick. The NHS and health professional or anti-vaccine information that's circulating in the social media.
Hello there, I'm Dr. Hyun-Ki Kim. I'm a local GP at East Trees Health Centre. I'm speaking here today from Eastern Community Centre where we're holding a community COVID vaccine clinic. The reason why we've come out here is to try and encourage more people to have their vaccines. Of course, in our GP surgery and the mass vaccination centres, we're doing lots and lots of vaccines, and that's going very well. But we also need to recognise that some people may feel a little bit fearful or have their doubts about going to get their vaccine. This can be due to various reasons, but we're hoping that by being able to offer the vaccine from other places, we can make it feel more welcoming. Especially with so many people involved in the outreach program that come from actual members of our community who may speak the languages that you speak or who may be able to explain things to you in a way that makes sense to you. I would encourage all of you to have the vaccine. I know it's safe, but do talk to people. Don't just rely on messages from people that you don't necessarily know.
My name is Hafith Udin. I'm IMAM of BRISTOL Central Mosque. I have had my vaccine first dose and I'm feeling very good, no problem, just like same as the flu vaccine is feeling. So I'm encouraging everybody in the Muslim community should have your vaccine. When you got the message or the invitation, please get it. It will be benefit for you, for everybody.
waxa fiican inaynu isticmaalno oo la iska daayo hadallada ku tiritaanta ah ee la leeyahay vaccine-ku ma fiicnayo waxaas talaalku uu fiican yahay waa ka hortagii marka waxaan idin oran lahaa istalaala anigu maanta waan soo qaatay wax dhibaato ah kama qabo wax kama warwarna kama qabo marka waxaan jeclaan lahaa cudurkan oo wax badan inaga galaaftay dada aynu wada garanayno inaynu ka hortagno.
My name is Councillor Afzal Shah, local councillor for Eastern Ward and also Bristol City Council Cabinet Member for Climate, Ecology and Sustainable Growth. I'm here at Eastern Community Centre today and I'd like to convey a huge thanks to Dr. Kwela and Dr. Kim and all the other members of their team, Bristol City Council Public Health, Bristol Somali Voice Community Group, especially Brother Mohammed Saikle for his role in raising awareness on this issue in terms of the take-up of the vaccination, Eastside Community Trust, BCFM. So a huge thanks to them. As you know, BAME communities have been hit particularly hardly, not only in Bristol but up and down the country from this pandemic, and the COVID-19 virus has had a debilitating effect. A lot of people have passed away. I myself have had very close family members who have died here in Bristol from COVID-19, relatively young as well, just in their 40s. We must do all we can to take up the vaccine. Don't believe everything you read on social media. A lot of misinformation out there. Speak to the healthcare professionals, i.e. your GP, nurses and healthcare professionals. They are the best people to contact. And what I would say is keep yourself safe, keep your family safe, keep all the other members of the community safe, and the best way you can do that is by taking up the vaccine.